Adhoc report, you can add any ad hoc component and as well as predefined component. To add a predefined component, select the predefined, and you can also set the templates or select the birth templates. So now from the predefined, you will have some component library, and here you have cover page for an example, and let's run this in PDF. So here you can apply the parameter as well and call it as weekly report and cover page image of which submit. So here you have generated the weekly report. Now let's add one more page, a new page, and we'll call it as default cost tab, where we will add another component and we'll run this report. Monthly and copy image goods sent. So here you will see that there is a cover page image generated, and we have a new page where we added another performance component.